I'm at my brother's house and he wants to have a look at this floor. Big sheet flooring. You can see it through there. It's not flush, it's not been supported right, that. It's dipping in the middle between the two joists, so I'm going to put a frame in. Make that flush and make it more supportive. It's a major walkway as well. So these NDF boards are nothing like the floorboards, the old school floorboards. They need, once they get cut, they need supporting underneath, or else they just bow like that. Crap really. But you can sort it out. I'm just going to put some braces in. See what's underneath as well, where that's it. It's quite dry under there. We have put cross beams here. It just needs cross beams going across this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 support noggins in, one there and one there. That'll support the mid section. This needs raising up a bit as well, I think. Might need raising up a bit, that. Yeah. Let's raise this up. That middle one's not even holding. Snap the screw. We fit that proper. So the snaps off that. Do the same with this side. Just raise it up a touch.
That's like sitting a lot more flush, but over time we're walking over it, it will dip. A few ways you can do this, but I'm going to do it by just measuring the span across there, which is 280. There. So I'm just going to span across the middle. Just span across there like that. Once I knock that bit off, that's just snips off. That little nib off. I could just screw directly this way and that, but I'm going to put some wedges in. So, cut a couple of inch wedges off. Get a wood bit, pull these out so they've got split. Two in each. I say there's loads of ways of doing this, but I'm going to do it this way. Wood in place, make sure it's flush. Draw a line underneath there, a line underneath that side. Make
it's land straight on that wood, which is great. That one's there. I'm actually running low on screws myself. There's one. There's two. As you see, this wood could do with being chipped out a bit. What I'm going to do a different method that side. I'm just going to screw straight into the beam. I'm going to leave that noggin out. I'm going to put these in, do a torque screw head either side. Put the rest of that on there. Get these partially into place. Just coming through there. Either, as it did before. There we go. A lot better. Job done.